We have transition. So this is our project.
So our little slogan is productivity made easier.
Hi, my name is Kiana Lee. I'm a rising freshman from San Diego.
Hi, my name is Manaz, and I'm a rising senior from the Bay Area.
Hi, I'm Iris, and I'm a rising sophomore from the Bay Area.
Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm also a rising sophomore from the Bay Area, and we're really excited to be presenting for you.
And this is our demo. Okay, so welcome to Pod Ease, where productivity is made easier. So to begin, you can tap this tab here to begin button.
So welcome to our welcome page. So this is really the first thing that our users interact with. We made 2 navigation bars specifically for our users that may have visual impairments. I know we're always on our phones, so maybe that's something. And then we have a timer, and then a to-do list. We also have study habits, and then about us. And then just to demo our navigation bar a little bit. So we'll go into the study habits, which Kiana over here made. And then after that, we have the timer, which Ivan's made. And then we have the to-do list, which Manaz made. And then also this homepage just comes back here because this navigation link is sometimes included in our other pages too.
So this is the timer. Right now it's set at 25 minutes, but in future iterations, users might be able to adjust it to their liking. And you can just use it with a start, stop, and reset button. And the link at the bottom with the stopwatch, it essentially has the same exact functions with the start, stop, and reset button.
So next we'll be talking about the to-do list. And so how it works is you can click the plus in the top right corner, and then this will pop up. You can put in any task that you want to do. For example, here I'm going to put in shopping. And then you can click the is it important toggle, and then click add. The 2 exclamation points will show up if you click the is important, and then all your tasks would show up here. They will also save if you close out of the app. And then you can slide to the left. Yeah, you can slide to the left, and it will delete your task.
Next up, we have the study habits. So you can click each individual application to open up every skill. There are 4: the blurring method, spaced repetition, the Pomodoro, and the Feynman technique. So for the blurring method, you can click the icon, and it'll provide a short description of what this technique or method is. You can click the try the method button, and it'll give you a list of steps that you can do to actually perform this task. Specifically for the Pomodoro method, there is a short description, and in the try the method, there is also a link to go to the timer that is made for the Pomodoro method.
And then the last feature we're going to talk about is our About Us page. So this feature we thought it was important to include just because we wanted our users to know specifically what we had in mind when we created Pod Ease, and also just a little bit more about the mission and why it was even created in the first place. But we will talk about the mission a little bit more later on, so we'll just brief this for now. Yeah, that was our demo.
So now I'm going to talk a little bit about what is Pod Ease. So Pod Ease is basically a productivity app which promotes studying and is accessible for all middle school, high school, and college students. Per demonstrated in our app, we have a to-do list, a timer, an About Me page, and a study skills page. We know that productivity apps aren't really new, but we want to add the study skills portion to bring a new twist to the table.
So why is this important? So we just realized that a lot of times for study apps, everything's in different places, and we decided that by making this app, maybe we could make it easier by putting everything in the same place. And we also included a page for study skills because a lot of times those aren't taught in school, and the only way you can really find them is through social media, and that's really distracting. And by dedicating a portion of our app to these skills, we hope that we are helping students stay on task.
So now I'm gonna kind of explain how it works. of the process that we went through. So first of all, on day 1, we created our wireframes and mockups, and we presented our pitch to all our LinkedIn and Apple mentors. On day 2, we did the study skills part, which was kind of really hard to do because we have to link like all 4 of them. On day 3, we finished the study skills, the timer, and the to-do list, which was also one of the really hard parts. And then day 4, we added a toolbar to all the pages, and then today, which was demo day. We're really excited to present our app.
Alright, so now we're going to go over some of the challenges and accomplishments we went through just creating Prodigies. And then I'm going to go over some of the challenges. So a big theme of our challenges was Xcode and the technology because we weren't too familiar with it to start with. So Xcode would sometimes glitch, particularly for the main project owner. I know I was the first one, but we also had Iris as the second one because we had to copy and paste all of our code into a new repository. We couldn't get it to work, but we found ways around it. Just like I said, whenever it crashed, we would reclone or replace files. And then also the preview malfunctioned a lot, so we'd have to always restart Xcode and also just run the simulator instead. And then our timer was broken for a long time as well. I think this was one of the features that took the longest to make just because of all the logic. And then, yeah, we tried a little bit every day, and then we eventually got it to work. But yeah, I was going to talk a little bit about it.
Yeah, so we did, of course, have our challenges, but we would also like to highlight some accomplishments. So we did finish our MVP in less than 2 days, which left us a lot of time to add in little details and things we did not think we could get to. Next, we had great team communication and support. We were all confused at one point, especially being in a team. It was difficult to navigate and make sure everything was working correctly. So our team communication helped us get through these different errors and make sure that we have a perspective and find each little bug. Then we also built a timer and to-do list. We built the timer with no help from our instructional leader, and we built to-do list in our app. Future iterations. So we hope to add a reward system where the user can actually create a little reward that they want to achieve and have a list of tasks that they need to do in order to achieve that reward. So you're pretty much motivating yourself to do certain tasks and reach a certain goal. Next, we hope to add a DND feature or do not disturb feature where it can stop all notifications from distracting you. And we hope to link the Apple or Google Calendar to the app where the user can see their events and plan accordingly.
I'm going to say some key takeaways that we had. So as Kiana and Lindsay both mentioned, we had a lot of great teamwork and communication skills, and we also learned how to code in Swift and Swift UI.
And then we also learned a lot about how to build different apps, like different features, and also utilize different applications within Xcode. Another thing is we also learned how to expand our networks a lot just by talking with each other and connecting with inspirations in Steam.
Culture of Tech sessions gave us an opportunity to get a deeper look into STEAM, and we discussed ongoing problems and what we can do to solve them.
Thank you.